What's up? I'm Nick. I'm part of the First-Year Florence Experience. This is my boy Joe, and this is the PLM Residence Hall. Let me show you around. In this apartment, we got a nice, beautiful common area where we can relax, chill, do our homework and whatnot. Then we got a nice terrace where we can look at the beautiful Florence roofing.
All right through here's our bedroom. It comes with 2 nice beds, the dresser, 1 closet for each of us, and then this nice desk that I like to study at. Sometimes me and Nick will just want a private area, so I'll be in here and he'll be out there, both studying. I get this nice view though, usually. And then let's move into the kitchen next. And then this is the kitchen right here. It comes with a nice stove, oven, the washing machine, which comes in handy, our sink, all the space in the cupboard for the cups and bowls, and then right next door is our bathroom. Our bathroom is really nice. It comes with everything you would expect, as well as that nice tiling.
So here's our fridge and our little pantry area, and it's nice because then we don't have to eat out all the time. We're able to just go get food at the market right down the street, just a few blocks away. A little walk, we're able to store our stuff and then cook it ourselves and make some nice food, nice Italian food. Thanks for coming here on our apartment tour here in Florence. We hope this gave you a good sense of what it's like to live here.
Ciao.